Government is placing focus on the western region of the country as it looks to step up reduction on the frequency of power outage. Speaking while groundbreaking the Olkaria I Unit 6 power plant on Tuesday afternoon in Naivasha, President Uhuru Kenyatta said the ongoing upgrade of electricity supply infrastructure is on course. He added that he expects change in the business environment of the region, which is the worst affected by power outage in the country. Data from the electricity distributor Kenya Power shows Kenya registered an average of 19,500 outages per month in 2017, a 28% decline from 2016. The Olkaria I Unit 6 plant is expected to be completed in February 2021 and will inject an additional 83.3 megawatts to the national grid.